Hey guys. Want this? Again. Import your clip. Click on the plus to move the clip in the timeline. You can increase the timeline size by clicking on the plus. Split your clips according to the beat. Now go to the library. Scroll down. Import the white overlay by clicking on the plus or just drag it. Now place it above the clips. Now fill the white overlay on the clip. Go to mask. Click on add mask. Click on split. Now rotate the overlay at 90 degrees by dragging the circle. Now split the overlay equally from between. Click on the button invert for the second clip of overlay. Here's the result. Now click on the export button. You can choose 4K quality and 60 FPS for the best result. You can also rename your project. And we're done. Results. Bye. Love you.